morning, everyone. Today I'm going to present you another topic in English for Monday, and that is all about kinds of sentences according to function. There are four kinds of sentences according to function. The first one is the declarative sentence. Declarative sentence states a fact or an idea and ends with a period. A period looks exactly just like this, and this should be located at the end of each sentence, called declarative sentence. For example, I own this ruler. It's a fact or an idea, and at the end of each sentence is a period. The second one, interrogative sentence. It asks a question and ends with a question mark. A question mark looks just like this. If you see this kind of punctuation marks in each end of sentence, it's an interrogative sentence. For example, what is your name? It is a question and it should be answered, and it is an example of an interrogative sentence. So let's move forward to the third kind of sentence according to function, and that is the imperative sentence. Imperative sentence gives a command or request and ends with a period or an exclamation mark. A period just like the end of the declarative sentence, a small dot, or an exclamation mark just like this one. This is an exclamation mark. For example, come. Come as in C-O-M-E. Come. You're asking someone to go forward to you, and it should end with like this because it expresses a strong feeling. And for example of an imperative sentence that ends with a period, give me a glass of water. Give me a glass of water. It expresses or it gives a command and it ends with a period. So it is still an example of an imperative sentence. So let's continue to the third kind of sentence according to function, the imperative sentence. So one of the indicators if it is an imperative sentence is its first word. You see my examples lately, come and give me a glass of water. Come and give are verbs. Sentences that start with verbs are examples of imperative sentence. Now there's an exception like please and kindly. The words kindly and please are not verbs. So I hope you understand that. And the last kind of sentence according to function is the exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence expresses a strong emotion and ends with an exclamation mark. An exclamation mark, just like in the imperative sentence, looks exactly like this. For example, oh my God, the baby is falling. At the end of that sentence, oh my God, the baby is falling, you can see an exclamation mark like this. So, another example, yikes, not again. After the word yikes, you can also see an exclamation mark after yikes. So let's have a recap. The four kinds of sentences according to function. The first one, the declarative sentence, which has a period. The second one, the interrogative sentence that ends with a question mark. The third one, the imperative sentence, which ends with an exclamation mark or a period. And the last one, the exclamatory sentence, which only ends with an exclamation mark. That is all for today. Prepare yourselves for an activity tomorrow. Goodbye, class.